औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान और रहम करने वाला है। टुडे इज़ अवर टॉपिक इज़ द डिप्रेशन। डिप्रेशन इज़ द वेरी depression is a very big topic, and it is a suffer from around the world. A million of the people are suffering around the world, or we can say globally, as well as in the Pakistan. Normally the depression is the common mental disorder globally, and 264 million people are suffering from the depression. They are belong to the all ages of group. uh, depression lead to the mental disability. It contribute to the globally burden of the disease. Women are the more effective than rather than female. There are the effective psychological and pharmacological treatment of the depression from severe to moderate. Normally, the definition of the depression is the imbalance of the serotonin neurotransmitter, which are normally found in the brain, which become the less concentration, which produce the behavioral effect, as well as interrupt the thinking process, as well as the psychosomatic retardation of the human being. Normally, there are the 10 more common symptoms of the depression, which patients are facing or feelings. Number one is the lack of interest in the pleasures, other activity. Number two is the uh, hopelessness and feeling of grief and sad, and helplessness, and low self-esteem, and poor memory concentration, inability to the focus on the one things while the patient is reading the book, while patient is doing something some else. And also the if the patient condition is deteriorating, it can be making the making the planning for the suicidal attempt. It become the severe condition when the patient is making the attempt, the suicidal attempt. And also, as well as the patient is the feeling of hallucination into the both ears, yeah, maybe one ear. Sometimes the patient is feeling the illusions, and something is stimuli in front of his eyes, but there is nothing stimuli. And also the lack of appetite, lack of energy level, and lack of overactivity, and weight gain, and lack of energy level. These are the symptoms complaint the patient is feeling normally in the moderate to severe depression. Normally how we can treat the patient suffering from the depressions. Uh, Here are medical treatment as well as available, and number two is the psychological treatment, as well as the physical activity. In psychological treatment, here are two treatment are available. Number one is the CBT therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and the ITPs therapy. In CBT behavioral therapy, normally the patient the psychologist give the patient to uh, feedback, and talking to the patient is imbalance the mental chemical imbalance, the mental imbalance the patient. So he's tend to be learn something and is improve the skill skill things in the CBD therapy, as well as the uh, physical activity include the on daily basis. The patient is need walking, jogging, and running, as well as the relaxation technique, including the yoga. Uh, and because during the physical activity, some kind of hormone normally is called the endorphin, which is cause the relaxation of the smooth muscle as well as the nerve muscle, or normally the stress less this hormone or improvement get in the mood. The patient is feeling the feeling of pleasureness and as well as the feeling of well-being. The doctor is normally educate the patient to take part in the physical activity as well as the social activities and other good deed activity. These all, if suppose the we patient is the Muslim, suppose the patient is the Muslim, so then doctor will be educate, teach the patient, so you should perform the 5 time namaz according to the time. These are they will be uh, provide to the intrinsic spiritually relaxation, or you will be feeling the well-being and you will feel the better. Normally suppose the patient is a non-Muslim, the doctor will be teach the that you should take part in the social activity, help the poor people, as well as orphan child, as well as those people who doesn't have the parents. So you should look after them, you should support in the in the finance condition. You can look after, spend the money on their studies, so then you will feel the relaxation spiritually. These are the all kind of activity. When you will do this, you will get rid from the depression and you will defeat the depression. Depression is a very even though it is a biological disorder, but normal depression is the interrelationship with the cardiovascular disease, vice versa. So depression can lead to the heart attack, and cardiovascular patient can lead to get the depression and can get the heart attack. It can be lead to the mortality of the high of the patient. So then these are the normally become very common among the patient. Normally the patient suppose feeling the 2 weeks of history of lack of interest in the work, and his performance is not doing well, as well as he is not taking interest in their his studies, and his studies is disrupting his working efficiency is becoming worsening. So normally he will be liable to the patient is getting and facing the depression. Normally the patient is avoid to get go to the psychological doctor, psychiatrist, and as well as psychologist. Suppose he will go to the psychologist, he will visit to the psychiatrist doctor and normally general physician doctor. The he become afraid and he get a apprehension ke people and societies people will said he become a normally we can say nafsiyati or other else. He is taking is going to visiting the psychiatric doctor or psychologist. So people are avoid to go to the doctor, even though they are suffering in the depression, they are facing in the depression. Here are treatment are available for medical treatment and pharmacological treatment. List of medication are available for the depression. You normally you can get it from the depression. Here are as well depend upon the severity of the depression. Suppose the patient is suffering in the minor depression, major depression, or severe depression. Even though in a globally 8 lakh people get a suicide each yearly. Normally, day by day, number of the people getting a suicide is increasing. The graph of the suicide is increasing. We are talking normally the people they get a suicide age between 25 years to the 32 years. Even though suppose we survey in the Pakistan its ratio is day by day increasing. Normally in yearly in Pakistan the thousand of the people, most of them belong to the younger age and middle age, they get a suicide due to depression. Normally, a lot of factor, unemployment factor is a very big factor, and the social issues the very big issues. Bereavement is the very issue. Loss, trauma, post-stress, traumas, they all are contributing to the depressions. So normally, we are suppose we are sorry to say we are talking about the medication. There are a traditional medication we given to the patient. Normally the SSRI, serotonin reuptake inhibitor. These are the very common drug. They are using among. They are giving prescription among the doctor. They are very safe drug or no more side effect. And other is the tricyclic antidepressant drug. They are normally traditionally old rather than SSRI or SSRIN. These are the latest common drugs normally prescribing around the world. The people getting a very better result. They are get reading from the depression. They are defeating the depression, and normally and last of them we will talk about the suppose the if the other complaint patient is facing the other complaint. Suppose the patient is going to the psychosis and bipolar disorder, there will be in need to hospitalize the patient. There will be look after will be better, and time to time patient will get a medicine and they will get a better result as compared to the home treatment. Normally patient this type of the patient is avoid from the taking the medication regularly and time to time. These are the all things I have told you about the depression. A very common slogan of the depression: kill the depression. Kill the depression before depression kill you. Hopefully you will like my video. Or I just give the summary of the depression. I didn't go into the detail of the depression. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you do like my video, will be appreciate my video. Inshallah taala, and soon I will be available in front of you with new video. And take care, best of luck, Allah Hafiz.